Hello friends, I am Mr. Ravindra Bhalerao and as usual I welcome you to my channel that is English for Learners. Friends, today we are going to see some of the activities related to the story The Cop and the Anthem written by O. Henry. But before watching this video, I request you don't forget to subscribe my channel. So, friends, let's begin part 2 the activities of the cop and the anthem. Activity number 1, write an incident in which you did something wrong and repented for it later. Give reason. इस एक्टिविटी में आपको ये लिखना है कि आपने कुछ तो गलती की है और उस गलती का एहसास आपको बहुत रिपेंट हुआ, आपको बहुत खराब लगा, उसके कुछ कारण लिखने. Actually, you have to write your own experience, but I have just given here example answer. There was an incident. We have a class unit test on next day, but my trip was planned with my friends. I told my friends that our class test is cancelled due to some college issue, and we went for a trip and enjoyed it. When we came back, we get to know that our college principal rusticated all of us. I realized my mistake and I repented for it. Next activity A3 1. O. Henry has used different words to indicate prison where Soapy wants to reach. Make a list of those words. Answer 1. Winter Island. 2. Coveted Island. 3. The Iceland. And fourth one, unattainable Arcadia. Next question. Find out the words used for degraded state of Soapy. Answer degraded, insulted, offended. Next question. The specific meaning of word anthem in the content of the story is answer tune, music or a religious song sung by a choir with organ music. Next question A4. It is related to the grammar. Convert the following sentences into negative without changing their meaning. I have given here answer. Let's see. 1. A. The policeman refused to accept Soapy even as a clue. Answer. The policeman did not allow Soapy even as a clue. B. Soapy drifted along twice unsuccessful. Answer. Soapy did not settle along twice successfully. C. Soapy stopped his unavailing racket. Answer. Soapy did not successful in his racket. C. Last one. D. The island seemed an attainable Arcadia. Answer. The island did not seem an attainable racket. Next activity 2. Convert the following sentence into affirmative without changing their meaning. A. Men who smash window do not remain to chat with the police. Answer. Men who smash window avoid to chat with the police. B. Why don't you call a cop? Answer. Why do you avoid to call a cop? C. On the opposite side of the street was a restaurant of no great pretensions. Answer. On the opposite side of the street was a normal restaurant. D. Noisy but no harm. Answer. Noisy but harmless. E. They seem to regard him as a king who could do no wrong. Answer. They seem to regard him as a king who could do right. Next activity A5 1. Forgiveness is often better than punishment. Write 2 paragraphs, one for and another against this notion. Notion means idea. So यहाँ एक पैराग्राफ को इसके फेवर में लिखना है क्या? Forgiveness is often better than punishment. Let's see the answer. It is easy. It is very easy to take revenge, but it is very difficult to forgive others. It needs a broad and great heart. Because of the material world we live in, it is common for a person to err, but forgiveness is an attribute of God. In taking revenge, we all become equal, but in not taking revenge, we sometimes more than the people surrounding us. Thus, this proverb teaches us to forgive the person who does some harm to us and not to take revenge upon him or not try to harm him in more severe manner than he does in return. Forgiveness is the best form of taking revenge as it makes him suffer from a sort of humiliation. Now let's see the one more paragraph against the forgiveness is often better than punishment, and paragraph is like this. It's easier for people to forgive someone for doing wrong against them if some form of punishment is involved. According to psychology researchers, justice and forgiveness are often considered to be opposites. But we have found that victims who punish their offenders are more able to forgive and move on. One researcher says punishment could take many different forms. It could be giving someone the silent treatment, which in itself is a very powerful psychological punishment. Or in the in the case of criminal offender, knowing that a court of law has imposed a reasonable sentence and that justice is being done, that may be enough for some people to forgive. Next activity, you are the class representative and you have been asked by the principal to conduct an interview of cop. Frame 8 to 10 questions with the help of the following points given introduction and conclusion. यहाँ आपको किसी पुलिस ऑफिसर का इंटरव्यू लेना है और इंटरव्यू लेने के लिए कौन कौन से क्वेश्चन आप पूछने वाले हैं उस क्वेश्चन की लिस्ट यहाँ मिनिमम 8 to 10 क्वेश्चंस यहाँ क्रिएट करना है. जस्ट एग्जांपल, लेट्स सी द एग्जांपल आंसर. इंटरव्यू ऑफ अ कॉप. 1. What qualities make a good police officer? 2. Why do you want to be a police officer? 3. How do the police help the community? 4. What are the responsibilities of the police? 5. How long does someone have to report a crime? 6.1. What tips would you follow to react normally in hostage situation? What does police officer do on a daily basis? 8. Explain the various levels that a police officer must keep in mind while interacting with a criminal. 9. Why do you think you are the best candidate for the police officer position? And last one, what challenges are you looking for in this position? Next activity A6. Make a list of jobs which would give you an opportunity to help the society or serve the country. Also mention the different ways in which they can be beneficial to the people and also the country. यानी कि इस एक्टिविटी में आपको ऐसी जॉब की लिस्ट बनानी है जिस जॉब के हेल्प से आप हमारी सोसाइटी और कंट्री का सर्विस कर सकते हैं. सो यहाँ आई हैव गिवन सम ऑफ द एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव list of civil service for which combined examination is held. So यहाँ job की list दी है, अब you have to read it carefully, and if you want to detail information about this particular job, you can go to the Google and take down the information. Next activity. Go to your school or college library and read some other stories by O. Henry, like The Gift of the Maggie, The Last Leaf, and After 20 Years. Write the stories in short in your notebook. See the answer. I have given here summary of The Last Leaf. This beautiful inspirational tale deals with unselfish sacrifice, how one man was prepared to to sacrifice his own well being and use his talent to save the life of another. Two artists, Johnsy and Sue, share an apartment in an artist community, which is soon invaded by a malicious disease which spreads its deadly influence, mowing down many members in this struggling but auspicious society. Johnsy is infected and soon gives up hope for survival. She pins her destiny to the survival of one last leaf on which she pursues through her window whilst lying in bed. The attending physician informs Sue that Johnsy's chance for survival is limited unless she has something to hope for. Sue informs Mr. Behrman, an old fellow artist, who is their downstairs neighbor, about this, and he is annoyed that Johnsy had such little hope. He is aware of her wish to die when the last leaf falls. The next morning, after a vicious storm, Johnsy sees the last remaining leaf still clinging to life. She decides that she wants to continue living. There must be a reason that the leaf has refused to die, and it is a sin to want to die. Johnsy recovers from her illness. Sue informs her some time later that Mr. Behrman had died of pneumonia and the medics had found a burning lamp, a ladder, and a pellet containing a mixture of colors similar to that of a leaf next to his completely wet, collapsed body. He had contracted pneumonia and expired due to his frail condition. It becomes pertinently clear that Mr. Behrman had finally painted his long promised masterpiece, the leaf which saved Johnsy's life, sacrificing his in the process. So friends, I hope you might have liked this video. If you liked it, please share it. If you have any suggestions for me, please write in comment box. Wish you good day. Take care. Thank you very much.